Hi guys, you are welcome to the FutureForge AI again. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 AI you can start using right now, even as a beginner like me. These tools are simple, perfect for beginners. It's easy to use. You've heard about it over and over again. Maybe you are not been using it. Let's dive in. The first one here is ChatGPT. You've heard about it. It's a very popular AI on internet now. ChatGPT is everything. But have you ever come to understanding that how this particular AI works, how to prompt it, how to get the best response out of this particular AI? Have you ever come to that understanding? Do you know how to use a ChatGPT? Do you know how to ask the right question? Because as for me, for some time now, I've not been using Google. I've been using only ChatGPT because I study how to prompt it, how to make ChatGPT give me the best response than Google. I've come to the understanding that ChatGPT can give me the best of response, the best answer, and I can even interact with these bots called ChatGPT on my personal notes. I've made ChatGPT my friends. I ask him often questions. I prompt it to the extent of which he knows what exactly question I'll ask, because I have about 3 ChatGPT accounts. One is for my work, one is for my personal life, and one is for my business. I've made ChatGPT my personal friend because when I go to the first account, he knows the answer. Like he know what I will be, he know what to expect from me. So when I ask him a particular question, he know what to answer. I think you should be able to do this also. You can give it a chance to see maybe it work for you. Aside this, ChatGPT can help you to write email, can help you to write newsletter, can help you to answer some critical questions, some mathematical questions. Understand? It can help you a lot. ChatGPT can almost do everything. Think about it. It can do almost everything. But you need to know how to ask the right question. You need to know how to give him the question you need him to answer for you on a personal note. You cannot be asking a general question. It will give a general answer just like Google. But what ChatGPT does now, ChatGPT is a generalist. And he needs you as a specialist, where you can give him a specific question to answer for you. He knows almost everything. We have to give him a specific question whereby he can give you a specific answer that you needed. Number 2 is Canva. Canva is a tool, the AI tools for designers. But I believe that you have a social media account. You have a TikTok account and Instagram account where you post day in and day out, where you show and you see all those things you sell there, you love them. Majority of the people that you see posting influential today, they use Canva. In the olden day, like about 4 or 5 years ago, Canva is just Canva. You have to design by yourself, do all those things. But today, Canva can help you to design with their AI tools, with their inbuilt AI tools. And number 3 is what I love most, because I love writing online. It's called Grammarly. Grammarly, it makes it easy for me to write online and go back and check and correct all those things. What the AI does for you, this Grammarly, is that it helps you to correct some errors in your English when you're writing. Maybe you are writing exam or you're writing email, whatever you are writing online. These are the 3 most important AI that you can use as a beginner. You can download it on Google Play, on Apple Store, or any other platform you want them. They are available online for free. Get used to all this AI for your future benefits. So guys, like, subscribe, turn on the notification bell. See you in the next one.